Hey everyone, hello. Today, as I returned to the sump where I had once fed some stray dogs, I was met with a scene that quietly shocked me. The same old dogs were there, and the moment they saw me, they began wagging their tails with joy, walking towards me with a spark in their eyes as if they recognized me, as if they remembered the one who once brought them milk. That silent recognition felt like a connection had been rekindled without a single word. I gently poured fresh milk into their old bowl, added some pieces of bread, hoping it would give them someone warm and filling. As I placed the bowl down, one of the dogs did not rush to drink. Instead, he came closer and began to nuzzle me, showing affection before even touching the food. It was not hunger that moved him at that moment. It felt like gratitude. Then another dog joined and they both started drinking calmly. There was no competition, no greed. They drank only as they needed, then stepped back quietly. After a moment, they moved aside, but then the first one came back and resumed drinking. As I stroked his head gently, he pressed himself closer to me. It felt like he was finding peace just being there, like he trusted me completely. I kept looking at him and wondered, how do these ignored, speechless souls carry so much silent emotion? Even after days, he remembered me and felt safe enough to come closer. That feeling alone was enough to make my heart heavy. One more dog stood at a distance watching us. Maybe he wanted to come too, but some fear or painful memory held him back. He did not drink, just stopped there. The others continued, and I sat silently observing their simplicity and the unconditional love they had to offer. In that still moment, as the scene settled, the video came to an end, but it left a quiet story etched in my heart. If you have watched the video till here, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your attention gives hope to voiceless animals like these. If you like this video, please subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on our Facebook page and join us on my TikTok account. Thank you everyone.